Good evening, Dr.
Yeah.
Kamaraj. Welcome to Atulya and Health Above 60 panel. Thanks, Ninga vandadukku. So our customers are waiting with a lot of questions about memory issues. And elderly, the memory issues in general, as everyone knows. So everyone raise a question about the memory problems. That's what we are going to discuss today.
Yes. Yeah. So I am Dr. Agustin Kamaraj Nalli. Mainly they used to call me Kamaraj. So I worked in old age homes in and near Chennai, and I am more than 25 years experience in medical field, and especially geriatric counseling I used to do. People who are having a lot of psychological problems, and today we are going to discuss a lot about memory issues and those things, and mainly because I worked in those old age homes and a lot of geriatric patients I worked with. So most of the basic problem is memory loss. So later on we can see all those things.
Thank you, doctor. Thanks for your introduction. So the main question which asked by our customer is, what causes memory problems in elderly? This is everyone.
Exactly. So this is a complex question. Memory problems, you mean certain memories you want to forget and certain memories you have to.
Yes.
So like that. But as a memory problem means really they are forgetfulness. Not only that, the loss of memory. And it is mainly due to hypertension, diabetic, even some head injuries, even genetic. Genetic is the most.
Doctor, I'm sorry to interrupt you. I wanted to interrupt because nowadays even youngsters have a diabetic and hypertension.
Yes.
So, memory problem or a chance?
It is not related with during the chronic, the sense diabetic uncontrolled for a long time, not initially or within 2 months or 3 months. Usually it used to occur after the age of 60 or 65. But these are the causes. Basically, frankly speaking, we are not knowing any cause definitely. But these are the causes based on the chronic diseases, especially hypertension, and pressure, BP and diabetic, then the head injuries, like that. Then genetic.
What will be the anatomical changes? Because the brain muscles are.
Exactly.
So that will be a major reason.
Exactly. That is a progressive degenerative changes. Degenerative changes. It used to occur progressively. As you rightly said, it may start from the 30s, 40s, 50s. We don't know. Because with that what we used to call, he used to forget a lot. He is not attentive. We used the word attentive.
Correct.
Once if it affects their day-to-day life activities, then only it is a real problem. That time only they will seek the doctor's advice.
Thank you, doctor. And since we talk about memory problem, is there any ways to avoid or postpone the memory loss in elderly?
Elderly, yes. That is, elderly is an extension of young people.
Yes.
So prevent means it has to start from the young age itself. And instead of now, I want to stress one thing. This is a way of life. If your way of life, like spiritual, even worshipping and memorizing the slogas and memorizing the words from Gita, even Bible or even Quran, like that. These are those days. By spiritually, people trained you to give a very good way of life.
Okay,
not only
keep in touch. Keep your brain active.
Active. In the positive way.
Automatically these things.
Exactly.
No, chance.
As idle brain is the.
Okay,
exactly like this. So how can we keep? We can't talk anything continuously, but any religious things, keep on, you can chanting. So like that will keep your brain active as well as positive.
That's a good answer, doctor. So people should be active and keep them engaged with some kind of good activity.
Good activities.
That's a nice answer.
And continuous.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah. Good, doctor. The food which is good for your brain and delay memory problems in elderly. அதாவது வயசானவங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது ஃபுட் நீங்க சஜஸ்ட் பண்றீங்களா? உங்களுக்கு brain நல்லா இருக்கும், ஆக்டிவா இருக்கும் அப்படி.
Now this is I don't know how to say. This thing also once again the same. What are the foods which are good for you basically? everyone, easily digestible. Second one, this is a good food we used to advise for the elderly people. Easily digestible, and it will be suitable for them, available, as well as it is not allergic to. In that thing regarding memory, the main thing is fruits. An apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Yeah, that is
Like that. Any lot of fishes, lot of
omega 3 சொல்றாங்க.
yeah, omega 3, then olive oil, olive oil, and that pulses,
good.
and
Nuts,
all nuts, any good protein, especially vegetable protein.
What about walnut? ரொம்ப ஸ்பெஷலைஸ்டா சொல்றாங்க.
Now, because everything is now available, so there the nutrition will help you. Even the percentage, nuts means it is
Okay.
good. And I told you, meat also good.
Green சொல்றாங்க, வல்லாரை.
Green, not only vallarai, any kirai, all kirais, any fresh vegetables, any fresh fruits.
இப்போ ஃபிஷ்ல கூட பாத்தீங்கன்னா tuna and
salmon. Yeah, like that. So fish, this is good among the meats.
Okay.
Not that chicken or not the mutton.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Thank you, doctor. Doctor, இப்போ memory problem சொல்றச்ச, can we talk, because over customer கேட்டிருக்குதுன்னா, what is dementia?
Loss of memory.
So it is purely related to
brain.
memory issues.
Okay,
இதுக்கு என்ன ஏஜ் இருக்குங்களா? இந்த ஏஜ் தான் வந்து உங்களுக்கு dementia வரும்னு சொல்லிட்டு.
That aging is, it's not the chronological or like this age, not like that. Aging is person to person differ, but usually I told you after 60. After 60.
So
usually.
Everything will come down.
Yeah, everything will come down. And 65 onwards, it will manifest outside.
Because of anatomical changes.
The changes. I told you, progressive degenerative changes. Okay. It will be there from any age. We can't dictate those things. It won't be detectable even.
It depends on their
Lifestyle, exactly.
Food habits.
Some people at the age of 90, they won't have any trace of it. That's why, yeah.
Doctor, the next question is, what is encephalopathy?
Any disease which affects brain.
Okay.
Brain.
Okay, this also will be one of the cause for the memory issues.
Exactly. Anything which affects the brain is the seat of memory.
So encephalopathy is
any disease or any disorder affecting the brain.
Even due to the external injury.
Anything external injury, or even the diseases which affects, and sometimes even the brain itself got affected due to infections.
Good.
Like that.
Okay, nice answer. So what are the memory distortions, phobias, and dreams?
Memory distortion means something happened, and your memory, you will reproduce the same memory. But memory distortion, they will forget that thing, but instead of that thing, they will tell some another thing.
Okay, change பண்ணிடுவாங்க.
Change
question ஒண்ணா இருக்கும்.
இல்ல அது question இல்ல, memoryல yesterday where you have been, அவங்களுக்கு already they should forgotten. அவங்க போறது மார்க்கெட்டா இருக்கும்.
டி நகர் போயிட்டு நான்
மாம்பழம் போயிட்டு வந்தேன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. அந்த மாதிரி தான் memory distortion.
So phobias நிறைய இப்ப சொல்றாங்க. ஹைட்ல இருந்து பார்த்தா phobia, தண்ணியை பார்த்தா phobia சொல்றாங்க. அது எதனால ஆகுது?
Lot of this sort of thing we don't know why it happened.
Okay.
Why it happened we don't know.
So
Phobias means any fear. Fear for height.
Maybe first time they பார்க்குற மாதிரி இருக்கும். They are not used to. First time when they see.
Like that. Some people they are having the phobia for even crowd. Some people they are having the phobia for not having any people. If they got stranded in the lift alone, that's a phobia.
Yeah, that's also.
Height phobia, swimming phobia, so many phobias. Yeah.
So dreams also, I think, almost similar.
But dreams also, it is there are a lot of theories. So it is a subconscious mind.
Okay. ஆழ் மனசுல இருக்கிற.
Yeah. Even your ambitions, and like that you can visualize. That is a dream.
Okay. Anyway, one dementia பத்தி கேட்டிருந்தாங்க. Similarly, Alzheimer's diagnosis in older adult.
History, mainly history, and the better thing, here you can't get the history from the patient. They will forget. So mainly the relatives or the attenders. If you talk to them clearly, they only give you the tips. Like that. They will forget lot of recent events.
Okay.
Recent
event.
events.
Okay.
They may
Dementia
know.
என்றது- Dementia என்றது older
Not like that. Dementia as a whole.
Okay.
Senile dementia means elderly people, they will have loss of memory. Alzheimer means not only this thing, not only memory. Gradually, due to the progressive degeneration of brain, gradually they will lose the motor function. What is motor function? Even walking, even everything they will gradually lose.
Ordered by the
Now, it
brain.
will start from the memory to the motor function. Ultimately, for respiration also, the muscles won't work gradually. So, if the day one, if you detect and diagnose you are having Alzheimer's, nowadays what the scientists and the doctors they are telling, 6 to 9 years time. Lifetime. So gradually it will get
Everything
lost.
come down.
Initially memory, then gradually then they will start behaving.
Activities,
Then they will start
behavior.
behaving as irrationally. They don't know what they behave and those things. Then gradually bedridden.
Okay.
Bedridden. That's a motor function. They can't. They don't know how they are not able to even wash their face and button their this thing.
Yeah.
Even going to bathroom, they don't know. So they have to be deepened totally. That time only, that old ages, and these people they have to be trained how to treat this sort of Alzheimer's people, especially.
Okay. Instead of curing the disease, you should know how to handle it.
Actually, once again, curing till now, it's a debatable one.
Correct.
There is no definite cause. We don't know what is the definite cause. Whatever I told, these are the probable causes. Till now, this is the typhoid means we know this is the infection caused by the salmonella.
Yes.
Here, it is not like that any infection or any definite criteria. These are assumption and proved by certain studies. It is not the so like that. Even what is of Alzheimer's. So here also once again for everything, every case it is different. Alzheimer's, right?
Okay. Is there any screening test to detect dementia at early stage?
Memory.
For example, biomarker இருக்கு,
இருக்கு.
AT scan
இருக்குது.
FTT PET scan லாம் இருக்கு. Is it
like that?
really
Here also once again that depends the staging, that depends when the patient is coming and those things. And it's a psychologist. They used to conduct memory test and like that they are having lot of criteria for memory. They will have the criteria, the scores based on the score, based on the age. They will help you. These are also once again they will help you.
Because nowadays we see a lot of dementia cases, not like before.
Yeah.
So அதனால வந்து எல்லாருமே நிறைய பேர் இந்த क्वेश्चन கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Dementia everyone is talking. Is there any test to be done
Exactly,
in the early
that's
stage? For example, ஒரு 45 ஆயிடுத்து பாருங்க. How to do a test?
Now I will tell you now jaundice means blood test, bilirubin. Typhoid means Vidal. Like that here there is no definitive test. It's a group of tests.
Okay.
And because the symptoms are not, this is purely based on the symptom, not on the findings.
Okay.
Because person to person it may differ. One person he will have only memory loss. Another person he will have the cognitive thinking ability he may lose. So based on the first thing you have to refer the patient to the neuropsychiatrist.
Neuropsychiatrist. This is good. That's what the many people do.
Neuropsychiatrist.
ஏன்னா டைரக்டா அவங்க GP கிட்ட போவாங்க.
If they come to the GP, mean they will send to the psychologist. He may do the unwanted test. Because that gentleman,
Instead you can directly
he identified this is a problem. For that, lot of specific tests are now available. So like that, if he identified it is a purely memory loss, then they will send for the memory function test. If it is due to the reasoning, this memory is okay, but reasoning is not good. Cognitive functions.
Yeah, that's right.
Then they will send another test in those things. Right. But PET scan will give you the.
Yeah, PET scan is advisable.
It will give the early
Symptoms
indication.
now you can find out. Good, doctor. Thank you. And another thing, what is amnesia and what is the difference between dementia and amnesia? நிறைய பேருக்கு இதுக்கு ஒரு சின்ன குழப்பம்
I told you amnesia also loss of memory. இதுல வந்து dementia வந்து not only memory. It will be associated with cognitive functions also.
Okay, I understand.
Like thinking. அதுல only the
Amnesia
memories.
is only loss of
Memories. இதுல வந்து even
Dementia,
cognitive
also
even
will reduce.
thinking other skills, day-to-day life skills, and
Yeah,
it will
motor
also-
function you mean.
Motor function. All these things gradually it will start.
Reduce.
Reduce.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good, doctor. Nice. Because many people ask this question. Amnesia and dementia, it looks
almost same,
similar,
almost same.
But the motor function is totally different.
No,
That is only in the dementia. it is
Dementia,
happening.
yeah. Gradually.
Nice. What is short-term memory loss? அதாவது இந்த சினிமால பார்த்து நிறைய பேர் இந்த
இல்ல,
क्वेश्चन
இல்ல.
கேட்டாங்க.
Short-term
memory lossனா அது
Short-
டெம்பரரி ஆகிட்டு போயிடுமா?
ஷார்ட் டைம் மெமரி லாஸ்ங்கிறது இப்போ நீங்கள் வர்றீங்க கீழேருந்து வர்றீங்க ஸ்கூட்டர் சாவி எடுக்க மறந்துடுவீங்க. சிம்பிள்.
Good example.
யா. ஓ, திஸ் இஸ் ஷார்ட் டைம்.
Is it a symptoms of dementia?
Started early.
This is what our people should know.
But we won't take it seriously.
We should take it seriously.
Yeah, not only one incident. Sometimes due to some preoccupied. If you are thinking about your daughter or if you are thinking about some loan and those things, that time usually you
I think many people, நீங்க சொன்ன மாதிரி frequent complaint. நான் பைக் எடுத்து மறந்துட்டேன். ஸ்டாண்ட்
ஃபைல் கொண்டு வருவாங்க, ஃபைலை வச்சுட்டு போயிடுவாங்க. ஆஃபீஸ்லேயே வச்சுட்டு போயிடுவாங்க.
பேனாவை காதில் சொல்லிக்கிட்டே
பேனல் காது these are will forget. இது ஆன்சர்.
Short term memory is a symptom.
Symptoms.
Early symptoms of
dementia.
This is a good answer. Okay, thank you very much. Is osteoarthritis a part of aging? Because we are talking about memory loss, but there is a question about
good thing because this is also elderly people. This is the most
people கேட்டிருக்காங்க.
இல்ல இவங்களுக்கு இதுதான் மெயின் ப்ராப்ளம்.
ஏன்னா ஆர்த்ரைட்டிஸ் வந்து நிறைய பேர் எங்கேயுமே வரலாம் இல்லைங்களா?
எங்கே அதான் நான் சொல்லுங்க, நீங்களே ஆன்சர் பண்ணிட்டீங்க. It's not only due to old age. Osteoarthritis, it may cause any time. Lot of causes are there here. Mainly rheumatoid, rheumatic, and only purely the degeneration of joints.
Good. Nice doctor. இப்போ வந்து nails பத்தி கேட்டிருக்காங்க. அந்த nailsல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா நகத்துல நிறைய சேஞ்சஸ் இருக்கும். சிலருக்கு நல்லா இருக்கும், அழகா இருக்கும், சிலருக்கு வெளுப்பா இருக்கும், சிலருக்கு yellow-வா இருக்கும். So different things, the colors நிறைய மாறி இருக்கு. So அதனால என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்கன்னா, is it the index of your health related issue?
Exactly.
பார்த்து நம்ம வந்து நம்ம problem இருக்கு.
Because nowadays you should not have seen most of the doctors, they won't even look at your face. They will look at your files. Because nowadays the doctors are mostly investigation oriented. Those times when we studied during 80s, that time the doctors, these files if you have given, they will throw it out. Why are you giving this thing? They will examine you for 20 minutes.
Physical examination பண்ணதா?
It is one of the physical examination. It will reveal a lot of things. From the heart,
that's what
everything. Because oxygenation கம்மினா இதுல தெரியும், blue color ஆகும்.
Okay, good.
Jaundice இருந்ததுனா yellowish இருக்கும். பேலா இருக்கும். Anemic. எல்லாமே இது நிறைய இதே மாதிரி கிளப்பிங், இந்த இப்படி கிளப்பிங், அது வந்து ஹார்ட் டிசீஸ். இப்படி ஒவ்வொன்றுக்கும் இதுல இருக்கு இண்டிகேஷன்.
ஓகே டாக்டர், குட் டாக்டர், தேங்க் யூ. இப்போ ஒரு क्वेश्चन வந்திருக்கு, how to improve memory power for dementia clients?
For dementia clients, here also I want to stress social activity.
Nice.
Then internet.
Just give some example. இந்த மாதிரி கேம், chess, which use your brain. Puzzles. Solving puzzles. Riddles. Elderly people means riddles. They know the riddles. Yeah, that's also.
So even if they forget, you tell.
Yeah, that's true.
Then
at least involve them.
It will remember a lot of things. So for that, what do you need? You have to talk to them. Social interaction. First of all, loneliness avoidment. Keep them in a group.
First thing. That is the first thing.
Keep them in a group. Socially engage.
Engage yourself.
Then we used to nowadays tell everyone, don't use internets. For these people, we are advising.
You will be alone.
For these people, you are advising to use nets. Search. That search will give you good this thing. You have to search. At that time, you have to remember.
But here I want to highlight one thing, because phone is very small letters. Because older age people already power reduce ஆயிட்டிருக்கும். So is it still advisable to look the mobiles small letters?
That's also depends on people who are having a good vision.
Lens நீங்க அட்வைஸ் பண்றீங்களா? லென்ஸ் வச்சு பார்க்கலாம். இல்ல ஸ்கிரீன், பெரிய ஸ்கிரீன்
இப்பெல்லாம் நிறைய பெரிய ஸ்கிரீன் வந்துச்சு. இதை நீங்க பெரியதாக்கி பார்த்துக்கலாம். ஈவன் கம்ப்யூட்டர்ல போட்டு பார்த்துக்கலாம்.
பெரிய ஒரு ஸ்கிரீன் மாதிரி.
அதெல்லாம் இப்போ nowadays electronic devices even
that you are advising.
advice. That also that Google search, especially those people who are having these problems, if they are searching na, that will keep them engaged.
Okay, I understood.
At least the brain will be active.
Okay, so based on your answer, you keep yourself engaged.
Engaged.
Search something
Search
which is
something.
useful in the Google
Ah.
and engage yourself with other people.
Other
also,
people.
and play games, olden days games, or like the games, puzzles,
Anything.
whatever.
Riddles போடலாம், விடுகதை போடலாம், விளையாடலாம். ஓல்டன் கேம்ஸ் நிறைய இருக்குது. அந்த காலத்தில் வீட்டில் விளையாடுற கேம்ஸ் நிறைய இருக்குது. ஈவன் எனி கேம் which will keep them this thing. That time if you talk, then only they will interact. Otherwise what?
So internally what happens when they play this kind of games? நான் கேக்குறது brainல
it is a degenerative change. அது ஒரு மந்தமாக தான் இருக்கும் பார்த்துக்குங்க பிரெயினுக்குள்ள. என்ன நடக்கலாம்னா எதையுமே அதை நீங்கள் ஆக்டிவாக பண்ணாமல் இருந்தீங்கன்னா அப்படியே இதெல்லாம் அட்லீஸ்ட் ரிமைனிங் பார்ட் உங்கள் அளவுக்கு அவங்களுக்கு அந்த பிரெயினில் செல்ஸ் இருக்காது, நியூரான்ஸ்லாம் டெத்தாக இருக்கும். இருக்கிறதையும் ஆக்டிவாக இருக்க வைக்கணும், இல்லைன்னா அதுவும் கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமாக போயிடும். அவங்களுக்கு என்ன ஆகிடும்னா தே ஃபீல் லோன்லி. நம்மளுக்கு யாரும் நமக்கு ஏதோ குறை இருக்குது, ஒரு டிப்ரெஷனுக்கு போவாங்க. ஆல்ரெடி வேலை கம்மியாக இருக்கும். இது வரும்போது அந்த வித்ட்ராயல் ஃப்ரம் த பீப்புள், அவங்களே அவங்க வெறுக்க ஆரம்பிச்சிடுவாங்க. நான் பேர்டனாக இருக்கேன், எனக்கு எதுவும் முடியலை. தனியாக இருக்கிற போது நீங்கள் வந்து ஒரு ஹெல்பிங் ஹேண்ட். It is now we actually want to treat the attenders. ஏன்னா அவங்களுக்கு அவங்களுக்கு இதில் மறந்துடுவாங்க, எல்லாம் பண்ணிடுவாங்க. This attenders only have to remind everything. இவங்க தான் keep them engaged.
Nice, doctor. The next question is, what's causing my itching hands and feet? எதனால? Because நிறைய பேர் வயசானவங்க பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கால் எரிச்சலா இருக்குப்பா, itching ஒரே அரிப்பா இருக்கு. பார்த்தா நல்லா சுத்தமா வச்சுட்டு இருப்பாங்க, but I feel கையிலயும் எனக்கு அரிப்பா இருக்கு, காலும் வந்து sometimes
டயபெட்டிஸ்ல அவங்களுக்கு வந்து நியூரோபதி வரும்.
It's symptoms of
diabetic mainly agingல.
But I'm talking about food. கீழே
அதான் சொல்றேன், ஏஜிங்ல numbness வரும்.
Okay, numbness, that's due to nerve problem இல்ல?
Degenerative changes of diabetic. நியூரோபதி, டயபெட்டிக் நியூரோபதினே உண்டு. அப்போ வரும்போது உங்களுக்கு இந்த கேர் இவங்க என்ன கொடுத்தாங்கன்னாலும் எங்கனாலும் மிச்சிடுவாங்க, எங்கே இருந்தாலும் நம்ம இப்போ இருக்கிற மாதிரி அவங்களுக்கு அந்த சென்சேஷன் இருக்காது,
கம்மியாக இருக்கும்.
ஸோ அதில் இச்சிங் வர்றதுக்கு வாய்ப்பு, அப்போ கிராக்ஸ் வரும், அது வரும். டயபெட்டிஸ் தான் மெயின் ரீசன் ஃபார் த இச்சிங். ஈவன் ஜாண்டிஸ் மே காஸ் இச்சிங். பயங்கர இச்சிங் இருக்கும் ஜாண்டிஸ். ரொம்ப இச்சிங் இருக்குது சுகர்லனா we used to suspect whether he is having jaundice. Even cancer. Elderly means even cancer.
Itching is one of the symptoms.
It's not. It will associate with even.
It may be due to.
It may be due to cancer and dry skin. Elderly mainly dry skin. அதுக்கு என்ன காரணம்? வாட்டர் கம்மியாக எடுக்கிறது.
ஆமா, வாட்டர் பேலன்ஸ் இந்த
பாடி ரொம்ப வாட்டர் எடுக்காமல் இருக்கிறது, தன்னை கேர் எடுக்காமல் இருக்கிறது.
So intake of fluid also.
Intake of fluid. Most of
dry skin.
Because
olden days.
Dry skinல தான் itching வரும். Dry skin தானே உங்களுக்கு வெடிக்கும்.
Correct.
So இது காமன் இதுதான், மேக்ஸிமம் காமன் இதுதான் நம்ம பார்க்கலாம்.
Because nowadays there are many creams are available in the market.
Moisturizer. Winter is a common reason. இன்னொன்று அந்த ஏஜில் உங்களுக்கு ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காகவே அந்த என்ன சொல்ல, இப்போ இருக்கிற அந்த பாலிஷ் ஏஜ் குறையும், அந்த ஃப்ளெக்சிபிலிட்டி குறையும். அதான் அந்த ஃப்ளெக்ஸ் இப்போ இருக்கிற டைட்னஸ், அப்போ அந்த ஃப்ளெக்சிபிலிட்டி குறையும் போது ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக அங்கே என்ன வேணாலும் ஸ்டோர் ஆயிரும்ல, இன்ஃபெக்ஷன்ஸ் எனிதிங் இட் வில் ஸ்டோர். அங்கே இப்படி இருக்கிற ஸ்கின்ல வாஷ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ஈஸி. ஓல்டேஜில் நீங்கள் பாருங்க எல்லாம் சுருக்கமாக ஆகிடும். அங்கே எனி மைக்ரோப்ஸ் அதெல்லாம் அங்கே இருந்துக்கிட்டு இச்சிங் வரலாம், போகலாம். தென் புவர் ஹைஜீன் சரியில்லை. காமன் சென்ஸ் இதில் காமன் தான்.
Good, doctor. Next question, same thing. I mean, related to the skin only. How do you feed your skin?
Very good question. Sunlight.
See, this is a good answer. So sunlight. In the season la, hot season la, the all day sun is advisable or morning, evening and the mari sun is advisable.
They used to say the time is சொல்லுவாங்க. Morning, evening. அதனால தான் காலை மாலை விளையாடு. If you go through our literature, in the elder days literature, you find all these answers in a different form. அதிகாலையில் எந்திரிச்சு சூரிய நமஸ்காரம் பண்ண சொல்றாங்க. அதுலேயே எல்லாமே இந்த சயின்ஸ் எல்லாம் இருக்குது. மாலை முழுவதும் விளையாட்டு, sunlight. That's the only natural thing. Then இதே தான் ஒன்ஸ் அகைன் ஃபீட் வேற என்னெல்லாம் பண்ணணும், ஃப்ளூயிட்ஸ், டீஹைட்ரேஷன் வரவே கூடாது. வின்டரில் ஸ்கின் மாய்ஸ்சரைஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். வின்டரில்
ஸ்கின் மாய்ஸ்சரைசர் போடுறது.
ஆமாம், ஏன்னா உங்களுக்கு ட்ரை ஸ்கின் வரும் வின்டரில் டியூ டு த கிளைமேட். எப்படி சம்மரில் உங்களுக்கு ட்ரை ஸ்கின் வேற ரீசன் இருக்குதோ, அப்போ வந்து டீஹைட்ரேஷன் ஒரு ரீசனாக இருக்கும். அது வாட்டர் காஞ்சிடும், எவாப்ரேட் ஆகிடும். இதில் வந்து உங்களுக்கு வந்து டியூ டு ஈவன் த கோல்டு யூ வில் ஹேவ் த ஸ்கின், அந்த இச்சஸ் எல்லாம் இருக்கும். ஸோ இதில் வந்து உங்களுக்கு இதுக்கு சன்லைட், இதுக்கு வந்து உங்களுக்கு மாய்ஸ்சரைஸ். தென் ஆல்வேஸ் ஹேவ் ஃப்ரூட்ஸ். Fruits will make your skin glistening.
Apple.
Not only, any whichever fruit you affordable. Apple solid, if you are not able to affordable, go for a good fruit. Any fruit. Guava is very good. Even lemon. That orange. I used to advise orange, not the juice, with the pulp.
Okay, pulp.
Like that. That's having a very good fiber as well as this.
So juice பண்றச்ச the fiber break ஆக chance இருக்குங்களா? Maybe.
அது எப்படி பண்றோம்ங்கிறதுல ரீசன் இருக்குது. இது அப்படி கிடையாது. இட்ஸ் protective.
Raw fruit, full fruit.
மேல அப்படி அழகா God has given the protection.
ஆமா.
If you eat properly, it will give very good nutrition. அதுல அப்படி கிடையாது.
Good doctor. See, one more question. Again, it is related to the skin. How does diet affect your skin? ஏதாவது ஒரு பொருள், ஏதாவது ஒரு ஃபுட் இது வந்து நீங்க சாப்பிட்டா உங்க ஸ்கின்னுக்கு நல்லது இல்ல.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அலர்ஜிக் ஃபுட். எல்லாருக்கும் ஒரு அலர்ஜி இருக்கு. சிலருக்கு வந்து certain food will be allergic.
Okay. It depends on your body condition.
Your body condition. If fish இருந்தனா அதெல்லாம் தடிச்சிரும். Right? அப்போ அந்த ஃபுட் நீங்க that you only know.
Yes.
You only know. That I have to avoid. Then what are the fruit எடுக்காம இருந்தீங்கன்னா அந்த ஸ்கின் கூட அவ்வளவு நல்ல ஒரு இதா இருக்கு. பிறகு what are the any once again the same thing தான். Fish is good.
Okay, but generally நீங்க சொல்றது வச்சு பாத்தீங்கன்னா food whichever is allergy to your skin, avoid it.
Better not to touch.
Take a lot of water.
Water. Dehydration இருக்க கூடாது.
Dehydration avoid பண்ணிட்டு water எடுத்துக்கோங்க.
Sunlight exposure.
Due to winter season or whenever you feel your dry skin, apply some moisturizer. So these are the advice to keep your skin healthy.
Then sunlight.
Sunlight. Anyway,
exposure to sunlight.
Early morning sunlight and evening sunlight. நம்ம olden daysல சொன்ன மாதிரி. That's good. Good doctor. நிறைய questions கேட்டேன், நல்லா ஆன்சர் பண்ணிட்டீங்க. So generally what suggestion you are giving to our seniors?
Yes.
எங்களோட பேனல்ல நிறைய பேர் வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. ஹெல்த் அபவுட் 60ல அத்துல்யால நிறைய ரெசிடென்ட்ஸ் இருக்காங்க, உங்களுக்கே தெரியும். ஸோ இவாளுக்கெல்லாம் நீங்க ஜென்ரலா ஒரு அட்வைஸ் மாதிரி olden days in the age ஆயிடுது. So as a geriatric specialist and more than 25 years experience in this same field, what's your advice to our seniors?
Mainly for them, now the diet and even the medications and these are the things secondary. For them, most of the elderly people whom I am visiting, especially in the elderly homes, they feel neglected. No one is here to listen to me. Even if someone is listening means at the cost of my money. They didn't feel it's a warm, they are not, and the atmosphere உங்களுக்கு இல்லைங்கிறத they are feeling. To break this thing, and the feeling break பண்ணீங்கன்னா தான் they will have the motivation to live.
And they'll open the
urge to live. Urge to live. When otherwise invalid. Most of the, if due to the kids, if they are staying outside other countries, they have to keep their, and whatever it may be, when they are seeing the other families, the elderly man is going with the grandson. Naturally, these are the things killing them, other than the disease, other than the diet, because in the elderly homes, you know, for medicine, for diet, or for anything, we are ready to provide. But this thing, how can you provide? This thought process. We feel we are neglected. No one is here to listen to me. Even if they listen also, just for my money.
That's good. That is
so break the thing. Whoever you want to put as a caretaker, unless otherwise, if they are not involved, if they are not really loving, I have seen a lot of patients waiting for me, just to open their mouth. Nothing. I have never listened anyone is talking about symptoms or anything. They will talk about their grandchildren, their music, their olden days and those things. 10 minutes, why not? You listen carefully
Yeah.
and give some, oh,
So
yeah.
you should be a good listener.
Whoever it may be.
Whoever it may be. I'm not talking only their son or daughter.
Whoever
If you are a friend of that older
Give
person,
the quality time to those people. Don't spend the time, that old man. Like that, because because they are very clever. They know
their
your,
experience.
they are more experienced. They have crossed your age. So even if you act smartly, also they will find out stupid is acting. So it is those people who are really having caring tendency, motherly tendency, those sort of people, you can put them. It's my just observation. Because I have gone with my own staffs. But previously when I worked in an organization, when we are taking the staff, we have seen and screened them who are talented and who are eligible and who are educated, qualified. After seeing only we are taking. They may be good in their work and those things, but they are not up to enough to deal with them. Some staffs, they may not be well skilled, but they gain the confidence, they will take them just like their granny. Hi granny. They are waiting for these sort of staffs to visit them. So these are the caretakers. If they give the care, then only they will have the urge to live. Always keep them to have an urge. When you get excelled, if you are having urge. Why you are scoring good mark if you are having urge. If you are not having any motivation, you won't have any this thing. When you will listen, if you have a goal. Attention. When it will come, if you have a goal. Like that. If the old man is not having any goal, okay, my son is in US, when I am going to see my granddaughter and those things, not possible. Okay, already they will be in a dejected mind. Don't expect they will greet you, but you have to break the thing. Here, he is the patient, you are not the patient. But don't make them feel once again that for my money these people are working. So this is the only thing. Once you create them, the urge to live, after that no need to take care of them. They will take care of you.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you so much. Given really wonderful, advice to our seniors. So I thank you behalf of Health Above 60 panel and Atulya Assisted Living panel. Hope to see you again with us in the same panel with a lot of questions from the Atulya and Health Above 60 and all over the world. There are so many seniors are living. Now, the seniors list count is increased than before.
Exactly.
So there are many questions also raised. Care also should be increased. எல்லாமே increase பண்ணி தான் ஆகணும் சீனியர்ஸ் நம்ம பார்த்துக்கணும்னா. Hope to see you again.
Okay, just one thing regarding Atulya. Even I have worked here also for some time. So beautiful. And the inmates I have seen, they feel it's a home for them. Even if you want to them send to their kids also, I don't think they will go there. Here they are.
They like to be.
Because they enjoy the atmosphere. They live here as their own family. Thank you and congratulations to the Atulya.
Thanks a lot, doctor.